Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our successful pairing of the iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch with our Android phone, this time I'm going to show you the steps or the setup process again for the iPhone or iOS platform. So if you are interested to see if the Fit O20 Ultra works with iOS platform or iPhone, or you just want to know the process on how to set it up properly, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. I already reset the smartwatch here. We have our phone here. So let's download the application. We already know the name of the app. The QR code is available here. As you can see, we can scan this. We also have here the QR code here, iPulse application, or you can just search it on the App Store. So let's try to search it. iPulse. Okay, so we have here the application. Okay, so this is the logo. Okay, to download the app, tap on download. Let's wait for the successful download. As you can see here, it's now downloading the app. Fitness and health. So this is version 5.5.0. Let's wait. And now the download is complete. So let's open the application. So select open. Okay, it is asking to use our Bluetooth. Tap on OK. It is asking to activate or receive notifications. Select allow. Then tap on welcome here. Agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. You can set our profile here if you like, or you can skip. Confirm. Allow iPulse to track. Allow iPulse to track your activity across other companies, apps, and website. Okay, so we'll not allow this. So we have here at least 4 options. We have health, workouts, devices, and me. Select devices. Select add. It is asking to log in, so we'll log in. Let's register an account. Okay, we will use our email. Okay, I have read and agreed to the iTel ID. So we'll input our email address and get our verification code. Okay. Alright, so we have successfully registered. Okay, we used our email and we have a verification code from our email. Okay, to pair your smartwatch, tap on add. And we have here at least 3 smartwatches. What we are pairing is the O20 Ultra. So we will select this one. Let's see. Okay. So Bluetooth pairing request. So tap on pair and select on bind here. As you can see here, it is asking for our location. So allow once or allow while using the app. Okay, so here, allow ISW O20 Ultra to receive notifications. We'll allow it. Seems like we are already connected, as you can see here. Let's check. Let's double check. And disconnected. It's working. As you can see, very easy to pair. No issues at all. Very fast. Let's double check our setup. We already allow the permissions here for the notifications. And others. Go back. We have the Bluetooth calling here. Let's add the contacts. We don't have a contacts here. Let's add our own contacts here. Okay. Import. Let's see. Sync completed. And we have it here. Go back. Do not disturb. Other settings. Let's see. Raise to wake. Awake time. Make it 20 seconds. Time format. Make it 12-hour time format. Then we do have other options here. Weather information. Drink water reminder. You can activate this if you want. So far, as you can see here, we have successfully paired our smartwatch properly. The Bluetooth call is activated. The push notification is activated. Everything works here and seems like the connection is stable. Let's wait. We do have, I'm looking for the watch faces. Do we have an option here? We have the dial center. Let's see if it will load. Yes, we have it here. Okay, so that's it for our demo for proper setup of the iTel Watch Fit O20 Ultra on iPhone. And so far, it is working. It is compatible. If you have any questions about the setup process, drop a comment below. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.